This video teaches English words and phrases for use at work, for cooking, food, restaurants, and shopping. Cook, cook. Fry, fry. Deep fry, deep fry. Boil, boil. Drain, drain. Bake, bake. Grill, grill. Mix, mix. Steam, steam. Pour, pour. Flip, flip. Knead, knead. Taste, taste. Season the food, season the food. Okay, I will season it. Okay, I will season it. Bake the food, bake the food. Okay, I will bake it. Okay, I will bake it. Fry the food, fry the food. Okay, I will fry it. Okay, I will fry it. Coffee, coffee. Cream and sugar, cream and sugar. Black coffee, black coffee. Coffee with cream and sugar. Coffee with cream and sugar. Tea, tea. Water, water. Dairy, dairy. Cheese, cheese. Milk, milk. Yogurt, yogurt. Butter, butter. Ice cream, ice cream. Whipped cream, whipped cream. Food, food. Egg, egg. Meat, meat. Chicken, chicken. Turkey, turkey. Beef, beef. Pork, pork. Lamb, lamb. I don't eat beef. I don't eat beef. I don't eat pork. I don't eat pork. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. Vegetarian, vegetarian. I am vegetarian. I am vegetarian. Does this have beef? Does this have beef? Yes, it has beef. Yes, it has beef. Does this have pork? Does this have pork? No, it does not have pork. No, it does not have pork. Seafood, seafood. Fish, fish. Crab, crab. Shrimp, shrimp. or prawn, prawn. Clams, clams. Squid, squid. Fresh, fresh. Frozen, frozen. Where is the fresh fish? Where is the fresh fish? It's over there. It's over there. Where is the frozen fish? Where is the frozen fish? It's over there. It's over there. Beans, beans. Peas, peas. Red beans, red beans. Black beans, black beans. Chickpeas, chickpeas. White beans, white beans. Nuts, nuts. Seeds, seeds. Fruit, fruit. Apple, apple. Orange, orange. Banana, banana. Pineapple, pineapple. Lemon, lemon. Lime, lime. Mango, mango. Avocado, avocado. Watermelon, watermelon. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Grapes, grapes. Strawberries, strawberries. Apple juice, apple juice. Orange juice, orange juice. Lemonade, lemonade. Lemon juice, lemon juice. Peel, peel. Slice, slice. Or cut, cut. Remove the seeds, remove the seeds. Or seed, seed. Peel the orange, peel the orange. I am peeling the orange. I am peeling the orange. Seed the lemon, seed the lemon. I am seeding the lemon. I am seeding the lemon. Slice the apple, slice the apple. I am slicing the apple. I am slicing the apple. I like mangoes. I like mangoes. Do you like mangoes? Do you like mangoes? Yes, I like mangoes. Yes, I like mangoes. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? No, I don't like apples. No, I don't like apples. Vegetables, vegetables. Potato, potato. tomato, tomato. Onion, onion. Garlic, garlic. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Chili pepper, chili pepper. Carrot, carrot. Celery, celery. Broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Cucumber, cucumber. Lettuce, lettuce. Corn, corn. Mushroom, mushroom. Cabbage, cabbage. Spinach, spinach. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Green onions, green onions. Or scallions, scallions. Zucchini, zucchini. Or courgette, courgette. Eggplant, eggplant. Or aubergine, aubergine. Wash, wash. Wash the cabbage, wash the cabbage. I am washing the cabbage. I am washing the cabbage. Slice the onions, slice the onions. I am slicing the onions. I am slicing the onions. Peel the potato, peel the potato. I am peeling the potato. I am peeling the potato. Salt, salt. Pepper, pepper. Herbs, herbs. Spices, spices. Ginger, ginger. Cilantro, cilantro. Or coriander, coriander. Basil, basil. Oregano, oregano. Or oregano, oregano. Cumin, cumin. Cinnamon, cinnamon. Turmeric, turmeric. Cloves, cloves. Sauce, sauce. Hot sauce, hot sauce. Soy sauce, soy sauce. Mustard, mustard. Ketchup, ketchup. Noodles, noodles. Rice, rice. Dough, dough. Bread, bread. Chips, chips. Or crisps, crisps. Fries, fries. Or chips, chips. Cookies, cookies. Or biscuits, biscuits. Sandwich, sandwich. Soup, soup. Salad, salad. Oil, oil. Vinegar, vinegar, olive oil, olive oil, flour, flour, sugar, sugar, make, make. I'm making bread. I'm making bread. I'm making a salad. I'm making a salad. I'm making a sandwich. I'm making a sandwich. I'm making rice. I'm making rice. Please click like and subscribe. Watch more videos from Education World here.